This is my first pop-up book story. The title is Go to the Zoo. On Wednesday, my parents and I go to the zoo. The zoo is so far away from my house, so we go to the zoo by car. Can you see my car? What color is it? On the road, I can see a big airship and two planes that are overhead in the sky. And also, I can see a wonderful scenery. It is a mountain, rainbow, and forest. In the zoo, I can see many animals such as a tiger, zebra, deer, rhino, horse, and panda. I also can watching many fish in a super big aquarium. There is also a turtle here. And the last, I can see 1,000 butterflies. They are so colorful and beautiful. I'm so happy at the day.